Hi, it's Amanda, and this week we're talking about happy mind, which is the first part of the Bend Like Bamboo method. So happy mind is all about promoting flexibility in your mindset because it affects everything that matters. Your body's ability to repair, how happy and resilient you are, and how connected you feel. So this week's blog, check it out, Happy Mind, and a quick 5 steps to promote a happy mind is really seek joy in your life every day. Have an intention to really witness more of that in your environment. Treat yourself this way and dish it out to others, because then it comes back to you tenfold. And when you seek joy, you're more suggestible to change, and you're giving the mind and body the right environment to be able to repair. Believe in yourself. It really matters. What you actually believe is a mirror image of what chemistry you'll fire, whether it's inflammatory or growth and repair, and also it's a mirror image of how you'll perceive your environment. Again, really important. Have a daily ritual to wash your mind. Use meditation to empty your mind, and I train myself to really sit there in silence because there's a lot of guidance there if you listen. And physical symptoms are always an end result of us not listening. So, a sore neck or a sore back or a migraine or autoimmune disease, all of these different conditions mean something. So it's always a clue. Focus on what you want rather than what you don't want, because we tend to focus on what we don't want when we're in a state of urgency. And we often think of worst case scenario and it just cascades on. So when you're in a calmer state, you'll be more likely to focus on what you want and get really clear on what it is that you want, because then you'll start to see more opportunities around you to make that happen for yourself. So check out more tips on this week's blog, Happy Mind. Really great to be with you guys today. Enjoying the rain. It's really cleansing. Have a really beautiful weekend. Bye.